Hello everyone! Today we will be making spring rolls. Fill a large bowl with hot water and soak a rice paper wrapper for about 15 seconds to soften. Transfer to a work surface. Inside you can put anything you want. Today I will be using fresh mint leaves, cheese, cucumber, carrots, celery, and peppers. Fold in the sides of the wrapper over the filling and then roll into a tight cylinder. If you would like to know what my favorite fillings for spring rolls are, please comment and I will make another video. Today for spring roll sauce I used soya sauce and sesame seeds. This is the fastest and easiest sauce to make. Please subscribe to my channel. There are a lot of exciting things ahead. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.